on 106.3. Bemwachimu akwaba. Edo baga na aje atuma kasa fidie yi so. Na onwatwe ba pa osema aduonu baako. Say wade a wo man mu ebetimi ama oman no ayeye. Na oman no aye papa. Ya na esese ye bo ho ban. Na ye jai concert. Any comedy. Ye de fa ho no. Ye ganeshi issue ne ya massage ne ye de ho agro ne ye jato yo ne ko. Eti da bia no oman ne tu ne nan miensa kwa nanim a. Na etu mienu abanachi. Na etu miensa kwa nanim. Na etu mienu abanachi. Na etu miensa kwa nanim. Na etu mienu abanachi because yentimi nya daje ene pepa. Ene niema oba de acheyen no ye mo ho bra. When him say gold e wo se sia ya yetui. Ye two gold ni na wia. Ye two gold ni na wio. Companies akese ye two gold organ ha nyina. Gold na wotu no. Wotu ye wo hanchiche mu mienu pe 2%. Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources na komisa won. Say ye two gold maku 10 ye dey 2 pe. It is ye two gold afi. Na ye benye $10 billion ye dey wom ye 2 billion, 8 billion be the krum free. Ya dwen ho aye nte ase. Wayere a ye tu okrom hayi. Ghana ohanchichem edumiensa na ye wo. Ohamu chichemu edumiensa na ye wo no. Wo be chichaba wie no. Na ban na nkasa ote akonwa so no. Emfaso a wanya e wo woyere a ye tu no omem ha no. Ghana yen ye de a ye benya no e yo hanchichemu nkron. 91% efa baby. 9% woyere na ya kan de wo woyere yo, ya wo woyere yo, ya wo woyere yo. 9%. Ba kwa akakura na ye wo 18% no. AGM aneka. Parliament yes way. Akwa science ye dey 48% na wo no ye Ghana dey sabe buru sabe anyado ye ade papa mfata yen enti 48 ni ye mpe ye pay 18 aban we age atum ye free 48 ye aban 18 ye mpe the chance yes ye 2 diamonds e o krom ha ye 2 diamond 1989 was the 4th visit of Mampeni Dada Rollins ye kwa akwatia ukwa akwatia bi Sampeni for 1989 8th match ye did 6th match we ye enam yenu eno kwa akwatia Kwara said ye na diamond no ebunkam faso bebre na akwatia a lively city ye wuje na new contract abebom bam diamond ni ye tu Ghana ye ho mfaso abasi bauxite Obampeni Dada Kufuor time and honorable Dr. Kofi Kuredu Apreko ko Israel and odi Israelis bi ba say one bra kumadan no mbesi tomato factory eti ema na ye mu bi ho na ye frɛ honorable Kofi Kuredu Apreko akumadan tomatoes pushana busano sa Israelis na ba Ghana no emu bi and the woman kasa ye wo search e wo Ghana ha no mo ka che say bauxite deposit ye wo Ghana ha no within the next 20 years about close to $3 trillion because that bauxite no a shasia wa Ashanti region when we ye no graph be see one time I still have a copy. A far Ashanti region na kwa far western na sabe far central na womsa na by eastern region na kwa part of water na sanachi na kwa wrom wo ho baby sa na kopie northern Ghana bauxite ne ta ho say chapo and then ye hu ye de akwaje 2 billion Tomas na chem ye de akwaji 2 billion. And it's not toda ya na a man crofobia adwene say na se galam say cost because I don't Ghana for na kra no etimi yedi nya bibie. But that sense won't na nya de pa. Enu dan chen koko na ye kra na yedua ya de no. Kwa hin na be si sen. Efimro oduma nkoma bo ade boroboro bo ade be si nne. Se Ghana beto koko a afi biade ekobo besia and say dia beto yes e fer syndicated loan. Afi biade syndicated loan and say timi dia to koko. Eti fin bra ye share Ghana se e me koko board ba wi ase Ghana ban timi nya sika ono abeto koko da afi biade ekobo besia as we timi to koko. Hey. And also so cocoa says I could say coffee I had cashew I had and then you for Daily Graphic back page hey majority leader and Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Honorable Chairman Sambotsu Chair 1 the only chair in Ghana politics I say ya discover our northern region 1.7 billion tons. And Honorable Cheb say, and fear kakra way any mushishomna say, a bedroom 3 billion tons. Miswa, but Babakain, and a mehunu, send the western region. Now you poor manso, iron mines. Sambra nefe nipa bebre. Yehudi ye enumpo na ye 360 million tons pe na ye wo ejigu se hwewo ene ye nne afibia no se ye kwa ahokyere mu ana nyame ada bibia dia mai afibia ne ye kwa ahokyere na nyame ada bibia dia mai eti se mineral se wo wiase nyame dia kye ye nyina se san ye beden esa wo yire yesi etu esante besa gold yes ye to asante besa sesani na sa sabia buru sabia nyado na ye yansa ye wo a ye tibi de sa minerals ne ya de papa e wo Ghana ha ne de ahia sa ban ba ye kwan agi loan school dan loan minister secretary loan edwan ye fakatria loan aban ko si school dan loan aban si hospital loan aban ba ye interchange loan yes, Flagstaff House, Abenbetrem loan. You renovate ministries and departments and agencies. A loan. Secretary. A loan. Yeah, Bomodiana. Your friend is saying. Osukasre. Yeah, Wejuma loan. President Kufokura ni Fiekura Tabo di President. Yeah, renovate grano. A loan because obedience your chair. Everything in this country is a loan. Now, Omanpanida Mahama Kacha say, Sikana Ghana Revenue Authority, AGG 39 billion, 40 billion, 41 billion every year. Say revenue, Ghana Revenue Authority, Etibijino, says Sikani Nano, or Hanchichem Edioson, 70%. Yaditria, any past 600,000 peka. Meanwhile, Ghana, yeah, 30 million. Yay. Yeah, we are no chia. 20% na carry the other. You see, I know we know. Nana do abaya catch say, 80%. At that time, ye di Mahama terminal ye new. Because I say I jumping from 70 to 80. At ye di Mahama term that time no be any. Now Rosewood and Yamedia Chain, Rosewood board in chain gold, a drill, no board in chain gold. Ne board in check cocoa. We found 1 ounce of gold $1,280. We found 1 ton of cocoa $1,720. But say we found Rosewood 1 ton $17,000. But what the Mamin kwa humana so na mene Honorable Salifu Adam Brima, Savannah Regional Minister. And Tuaso, Honorable, good morning, and thanks for joining us.
Good morning to your listeners. Captain Smart, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic, and you, sir?
I'm fantastic too.
I hope the region is very fine.
Yeah, we are doing our best. Yes.
It's a new region, so we understand the challenges that you're definitely going to face.
A virgin region. Yes. Yes.
You have a lot of rosewood in your region.
Yes.
And it has become an issue of concern.
Yes.
Helena was arrested. Many other illegal rosewood fellas were arrested, and so many other things that had gone on. I want to find out from you as the minister, what's your position and what are you doing in protecting rosewood?
I don't know whether protecting is the word. We're trying to salvage what is left because they have done so much devastation already. You know, the Forestry Commission and the Minister for Lands and Forestry banned the exportation of rosewood, harvesting and everything for some time now. But they still continue the illegal activity. So what we have done is to try and see how we can, if not stop it completely, but bring some discipline in the harvesting of rosewood. So what we did, we don't know whether that factory is still under investigation, whether it belongs to the woman who has been arrested or not. But we in Savannah, what we are doing is we set up a committee to go deep into it, because we can't believe that some other stakeholders are not in the known. For some reason, don't enter your land, set up the factory, and continue the destruction that they have done. So ours is to bring some discipline. There's already a ban, so we are trying to enforce the ban. So a committee has been set up to go into it to see how, because some people, that's not their source of income. And you know, when you are fighting anything that has to do with people's income, they resist. So we're trying to go into all the angles concerning rosewood. So that's how far we have gone.
Before the creation of your region, it fell under a particular region.
Northern region.
Yes, it fell under Northern region. We have the military, we have the police, we have the Forestry Commission guards, and all of them. Why could we not enforce?
Captain Smart.
Yes, sir.
There's a ban on galamsey also.
Yes.
Rosewood is our sort of galamsey in the north. So the teaching problems are there. So that is what my work is, to ensure that the committee does a thorough job, how we're able to go over this thing once and for all. You know, Ghana, the issue we have is enforcement of law. That's our being. So that is why the committee is so important, and all stakeholders, our chiefs, landowners, everybody, and other stakeholders, including you, the media, we are asking for your support in this direction. We know it's a big challenge, but with the support of everybody, we'll be able to achieve it.
We are told that Helena Hwai came to Tumu. She's been there for years and doing this business for the number of years she's been there. She's a known businesswoman when it comes to rosewood. I am told she's been reported to the police station on several occasions. She's been apprehended on several occasions, but nothing was done. Honorable.
Yeah. Captain Smart.
Yes, sir.
You are an investigative journalist. Probably you have gone into and you know some of the reasons why still she has not been able to be stopped. So you are one of the people who will contact for information to see how we can curb or stop whoever. We are not sure whether the factory we are closing down in Savannah region belongs to the lady or not. It's only after the committee has finished and presented their report that we'll be able to know who and who are responsible for the destruction of our environment. Captain Smart, we are not stopping there. We are trying to see how we can replant, not necessarily root. We are trying to save the environment for our future generation. We might go, certainly, but what are we leaving for our children? That's our main concern.
And of these concerns have been raised over the years, over the period, but it looks as if it's just a rhetoric. We are not able to identify any concrete thing, any supervision that would indicate that, yes, we really want to end this canker. We are not being able to do it.
I assure you, the people are seasoned experts in this rosewood, the environment and land issues. So let's not kill their spirits. They are going with the zeal to do the work and come up with the facts. Our chiefs, I tell you, they are behind us. Some of them, I don't know, might be involved, but we'll be able to educate them that we are doing it in their own interest. Because, as you were mentioning the figures, what they give them is just pittance compared to what the people are raking in. So they understand the education we are doing, and they are supporting us. So I can assure you that our is not a rhetoric, as you put it.
Honorable, rosewood is far expensive in value than cocoa.
Yes.
Even if you compare a ton of rosewood to that of an ounce of gold, rosewood is still very expensive.
Yes.
The United Nations in 2017, October, and then in 2007, again came out to say that when you want to talk about rosewood, it's Ghana and Israel, and that of Brazil and few other countries, about 17 countries in the world, that you can see rosewood grow in those areas.
Yeah.
Ghana, we have over 3.7 million species. Israel coming second with only 250,000 species.
Yeah.
But United Nations were afraid that we were not able to protect the species that we have here in Ghana. And they are the most important species that the world may need in the next 50 years to come. We are the people who own these rosewoods, but we are still looking on. To me, it's like we are really unconcerned about it, allowing either indigenous or foreigners to come in and then just take away these rosewoods.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Please, I'm listening. Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah. Captain Smart. Yeah.
I'm sure you heard me.
No, if you can repeat that.
Okay.
It's lamentation. We should go beyond the lamentation. Maybe you might be one of the resource persons my committee might like to contact. So we need all the assistance of everybody to be able to stem this tide.
Well,
Can I get the assurance from you? You will be able to, when they want to approach you, you'll be able to help them.
I am ever ready, even this afternoon.
Good. Yeah. So they'll be calling on you.
So this is a promise that you would make sure rosewood is protected.
And we need the media, you, Captain Smart especially. We need you to be able to help us stem this thing.
I don't know.
Can I get your assurance?
Yes, if you want me this afternoon, you have me.
Okay, good.
I don't know if you know how much.
I'll pick your contact off air.
Okay, sir.
Good. Yes.
I don't know if you are aware of how much the farmers or the indigenous are being paid per ton in the area as compared to the 17,000.
They pay per ton. They say they give them something like 500 per the container. That's why the committee is going into all this. All that we have now is speculation. But it's a serious 9-member committee who are seasoned men in land and land administration and other areas. So that's why we say, you give us the opportunity to go into this thing. And we'll be relying on people like you to help us.
Okay, then finally, are you aware that about 3 months ago, 3 board members from Accra came to the community and asked all the other indigenes to stop trading in the rosewood, but rather allow Helena Juan to do the business? Are you aware?
No, you are telling me.
You don't know?
No, please. My committee will go into all this.
Okay, we'll be waiting for the committee's invitation.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
But if we can pick your contact.
Okay. My producers will help you
Okay.
on that.
Okay.
Thanks so much,
Okay.
Honorable, for your time this morning. That's the Minister for Savannah Region, Honorable Salifu Adam Brahima. Joseph Opoku Gakpo, a multimedia reporter, or your extensive documentary. I will Rosewood home. Opoku, good morning. Hello, Opoku.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
No, sorry. This is still the regional minister.
This is still the regional minister. So sorry.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, try to say Benya Opoku back on the line. And we shall for the year cano be we me ben ni said be ya obetia so because I hear then your friend Rosewood. Then your friend Rosewood. And we are Yankopon boy nyina de ne ho ofe. Na ne ho odin. Na esa yare bia wo wiase. Rosewood. Ba wo de ma menkwa homa no so na fei. Ye ne Gapo and Trust. Joseph, good morning.
Captain, good morning.
Net to say.
Adom,
good.
Boko na way.
Nyame adom yenso ye ho ye pa. Boy, emra ba wo team say obeye documentary on Rosewood, then a cover documentary ni ba then I will uncover him. Patch boy enkomo.
Perfect. In fact, it was brought to our attention, say, we've had a situation where Rosewood Savannah Belt, former Upper East, Upper West, Northern, Samson a part of Bona Halfway region, part of Upper Volta. Rosewood species, a warhornum, freezer, your boy, yase, about Pimnea. Over a 5-year duration from somewhere around 2010, 2011 up until now, no, we've seen a situation of more than 60% of all the total rosewood species, no. What that meant, then say, in the next few years, no, we may see a situation a extinct rosewood species, no, enya available cry, a chimmo mubebano, but young kind to say, rosewood species, no, a beer, a huetimpa, and yet very common. It takes a lot of years, more than 70 to 100 years, and so and a lot of it, no, and near almost one whole plantation, say I said, and one got an meaning our forest nima, very, very expensive. You know, a demon yen dieti need piano editing. So your boy who might near to 10 now, more than 60% over a 4-5 year duration and a call. Obekaya 2014 and crop prompted a government ban on harvest. Alhaji Yunus Afuseni, Minister for Land and Natural Resources, announced here. But uncover evidence even after the government ban, not catching no, it could so cost. But I cite example back home. Investigation or joint news no. And Nantiana the Eco could drew a Tumu in the Sisala East District, particularly the Tumu Forest Reserve. Forest Reserve, the name say was a protected area. Drew Honomumpoa Forestry Commission for billboards and in Yamaniama almost designation is Honoma. Almost cautioning for some more forest reserve and conquer farming and then more Munkonko Chuchenia and Bigiasa. Mikoko Pietumu, many a brand be or honum, Nidin de Ayamga. Or lead the task force, how much more we and say almost stopping for Muchucha Rosewood. Or the new rare Tumu Forest Reserve in Yanantia for more than an hour to a stream that runs through the Tumu Forest Reserve. Now, Captain Okoko Pihonoma, who had the way on which you Chucha Rosewood in Niano, Koko Pihonum, a bio honoma, Omucha, so Omucha. A bio honoma ya no much najo no more the heavy tracks no a rem no makwa in the Coco Pio honum no. In fact, the publishing pictures will be one my John line and our videos living so the to or join news TV. Our much the omocha fresh the omocha omocha ma diasa our be any liho no mababa betwako meaning now in an area that's supposed to be a protected area. Tumu Forest Reserve name and no much Casa Rosewood in Yana Ekoso and indicating that the government back in 2014 so banning the harvesting of rosewood. Subsequent to that, Minister for Land and Natural Resources of Swato, John Peter Mewu, Ebabeka said, renews our ban on cutting. Even a few months ago, until the latest directive, as so much my colleague Latif Idrisu interviewed earlier this year, he was again very categorical saying, idea ban on cutting of rosewood no
is still in force. But Yeko to move forest reserve, for example, no. Nanko Fletcher, the indication was that the allegation was local communities, no, and more LED, some Chinese guys, more Mopa, Baba Bayes and Yamano. But this is even more interesting. Me passing on some documents to one of your producers late last night. From the Forestry Commission's own documents. Bosomibiano. A monthly report on the export of various tree species from the country. Between sometime in 2014, 2015, 2016, there was supposed to be a ban on the harvesting of rosewood. No, so that document now me pass on to producer no was evidence every month on, at a time when there was supposed to be a government ban. No, there was the export of rosewood happening right here in Ghana, supervised by officials of Forestry Commissioner. In their own official data, they were reporting thousands of cubic meters of rosewood that was being exported and earning, various companies were earning money from some of those. Then you raise the question. But more official documentation, more announcing the export, and the volumes were huge volumes. No. Yakoya buy. Senior can say Yakoya na buy. Senior can no. No ya be a hard in a lot of the areas, the communities were complaining about how harvesting of rosewood lead to water bodies drying up. Now more requesting a lot of government support in order to stop those who are engaged in these illegal activities.
Mamenda was Joseph.
Me that's the captain.
So first, I will call United Nations for websites to say last week you had a trail about rosewood that was hot. Sir, Yaria Makumako 37 and a rosewood essa. Rosewood ye edria one. Ubet me edria. But species and to show much as any dria a fruit dria to say the sabe cramai a fro cramai oba na wetimi anyum na wawo rosewood no mo patch say rosewood no ye wo male rosewoods and ye wo female rosewoods. Na male rosewoods no mo fro female no and na me huru kwan adua no timi fro dua scientists you to be gas me atoda na etimi asi menim say bia say na ba na sugu form no na cross pollination say dey o yase we fro we na we afro we na species na ye bebre na ekokoba sta Ghana ye de no ekontem ebenyine no je 70 years na di 70 years eti enye dua ye di agro ne boarding chen koko ye na ye wo bebre ye jai ye de na go what said that regional minister ken o say nya China for nko other nationals. We spoke to a Canadian or United Nations committee ehwe rosewood no o say rosewood nko abetimi ahwe Ghana say ye nya hwe ye nya adwuma bia na say ye be ya. The documents are there. We'll continue on Monday. And nko abetimi ahwe Ghana for 50 years. It's a power. We should stop saying ye too gold. Ye too ye way rosewood nko abetimi ahwe. Because there are over 3.7 million species in Ghana. Unfortunately for us, ye try 820 million tons. 1 ton is $17,000. This year ye kind of according to Forestry Commission. In fear night, ye de try 820 million tons. Ye de co free. It would times 820 million by $17,000. Sikado was saying. And as on my idea be a dear biano na yatna osa afei and a Savannah regional minister aquatic committee or mobile investigating. Na ye hunu kwan ye be fa so a ye be bo rosewood ho ban mesrew den ye hwin na me ya aduma na ke fi se be wie nne but bibi fofra san be si rosewood dachi Monday ye be koso yare adodo atimi sa ye be ma wahu emfaso a ewodua no so ma oman no so ye be ma watimi ahunu ene adekode pote panti a United Nations apedesi was a yam fambo rosewood ho ebra. On 7th November biano a World Rosewood Day. 7th November bia no ebeye World Rosewood Day. Adenti na dua ba ko pe o. Ye pe day among the whole world. Say countries makumako 27 pen rosewood wo so. 27 countries no World Rosewood Day. Monday will let you know the importance of this particular tree. I'm say chire bi no obi kan ho asama na ho so obi twetwa to gukwa na sika ne ma ban ho a ye hunu say de be ye. Finally de ye sra ne say aban de ho agim na ye 2 gold na aban na efa na koko nso aban na kopa besia na obetwa. Ye sra aban say be ya anka rosewood nso wo agefa na kan fa so no embra yen ye ho na de aye $17,000 na farmer bi ti baby na wakotwa na ode kwa na yaba no 200 Ghana cedis eno no e kire sen eti nyame ya adoma adwoada ye baba modin ase ye beto rosewood nsem so de wom bia no ye be ma waso ate and Okay. Matthias. Now, twidin, local names. Scientific names. Ebi wo apa. Me akra be bonem hu de we mesi ba ban me kam tekrama. Eti Monday, ye be ma twidin se de be ya be hu rosewood na ye kana aye wasum bebre. Monday kono ye be ma wadin ahodo a mia ahodo no nyina no e de frɛ saa edua no. Na ba no kura no etimi ye den. Ye be kan ho nyina nsɛm e de ya kyerɛ wa. Ha ya dom 106.3. Mami Fampim ha. Na babodi ana share so Emma me say Greenfield Scientific Herbal.
Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM.